In Rivet, you now have the ability to subscribe to an expiring certification report. Here's how. In your Manage Organization screen, you'll want to navigate to Certifications. Here, as always, you're able to add and edit certification information. By scrolling to the bottom of this page, you'll be able to find the Expiring Certifications Report preferences. This report will be sent out every Monday at 8 a.m. Eastern Time and will include every certification that is expiring within the next 30 days. You are able to add recipients by selecting them from the Add Recipient dropdown. Choose as many as you'd like. Each recipient on this list will receive the same report. They'll receive an email with the worker name, the name of the certification that's expiring, and the date on which it expires. You are also able to add external contacts to the send list and send a test report to yourself. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Rivet's customer success team, and I hope the rest of your day is great.